that's what you want to do. That's the life you want to live. You want to have freedom. But the only way you get freedom is by making enough money to buy your time back. 1L on NAS 100, and we're in this short still. The little tip that I'll give you guys just to keep your mind off the charts.
Oh yeah, we got a long ass way to the...
Welcome back, family. Welcome back to another video, and today it is another day, another week, new opportunities, new chances to make money, new chances to change your life. And right now it is Monday, it's 9:25. We're about to get right into the VIP Trading Network. It looks like we have about 10 people already in the session, just kind of waiting for me to join. We got about 6 minutes till 9:30, so we're just gonna get straight to the chart, see if we can make some money and start this productive week off right.
Ideally know the trend, but ideally I don't want to see this keep dropping. I want to see it hold this gap and give some sort of retracement. Doesn't need to have a full reversal, but ideally if we can get a retracement back to like the previous day's low, or even just somewhere back around this, like what is this, 18,500 area, that would be a smooth trade idea. On the last trade, first trade was an L. I think we're down like 500 for the day. I cut the trade a little bit short. We are down approximately 472, so I cut it a little bit short. But we about to see what this trade could do. This is the last one on US 30. Ideally, I want to see it run this high. And right now, it is going into 10 o'clock. We'll see what happens. This is the last trade, though. Whatever happens, we'll be back tomorrow.
2 minutes till 10. Let's see, is this going to be an L day, a W day, or one loss in? Am I going to take another loss? Am I going to get a W?
So I can't even be mad at the closure, but we'll see what 10 o'clock does, if it's going to keep dropping or we're going to get a push. Nonetheless, I got a small wick. So if it doesn't play out, I got a small reaction from the area nonetheless. It didn't hit TP1 or anything, but
We're 1L in the day, and we're in this trade still, but honestly, it doesn't look too good. It's already 11 o'clock. I ended the VIP Trading Network before the trade even ended just because it's not looking good. There's intuition. This trade could still play out. I'll show you guys in a second, but it just doesn't look good. So I'm about to get the rest of my day started, go to the gym, get everything prepared, structured to continue my week productive. Because even though I took L's in trading, I don't have to take L's in everything else throughout the day. I can still stack small W's with creating content, doing other things that are going to allow me to build confidence and be able to still improve day in, day out. The trading is just a small percentage of my day, and I strive for you guys to also have that same exact thing. Because if you take L's in the morning, it can ruin your entire day if you let it. But if you stack up little W's doing other things, it makes the difference. But let me show you the trade still.
As you can see, the trades for the day, we took 1L on NAS 100, and we're in this short still. We're down a little bit, but it's just been playing out. Overall, I'm still just looking for this high to get ran. It's 10 o'clock still, so it still has a chance of having that volume to push higher. But nonetheless, it's just real iffy. But I'm going to let them know, keep them updated, as always. But we're about to get the rest of the day started.
And I'm just going to cut the trade short. I ain't going to lie. There's no point in me trying to hold this entire time. If I really want another trade, I could just watch. Oh yeah, we got a long ass way to the beach. Alright, we got to figure out what to do.
Go to the beach. How is this shit packed? Look what
It's a Monday.
it's a Monday at 2 and the beach is packed.
And it's not even summer.
It's not even summer. That's just tough. Thought I'd just go find food. Strawberry banana flavor you got?
It's like Booster. It has like protein and spirulina and peanut butter.
Mine's better. Yeah, let's take this first before we drink this. You want to drink it like half and half, like you do first?
I'm about to go get another one.
This, I wanted to just do ginger. I'm not even sure what the other flavor is, to be honest. But it's a beautiful day. And this is how you get over losses.
It settles.
Whatever you say.
This one's apple, lemon, elderberry, cayenne pepper. It tastes like juice. I should have just got the juice. You didn't even drink it all.
That one's a juice.
This one's orange, ginger, lemon, Himalayan salt, oregano extract. Oregano. I said oregano.
How is it?
Oh. Oh.
Yeah. I want him.
So
Turn
after.
them into weed cans.
Those are-
You know what I'm saying? What we gonna watch? I need something to watch.
Damn.
Oh, I forgot to add no pickles.
Right now I'm in the car. I'm about to roll up. I'm at Target. We ended up not going to the beach, unfortunately. But we're still going to be able to do things and stay productive nonetheless. The main thing you guys got to understand is when you have days like this, like for example, I didn't win trades today. I lost money today. I lost money, but I'm still finding a way to keep myself busy, finding a way to keep myself occupied, because you guys got to understand, when you're a full-time trader, the losses are going to kill you if you don't know how to handle them. You got to be able to keep yourself occupied. And in my opinion, the best way for you to keep your mind off the charts is by doing things. I was going to go to the beach, but instead of going to the beach, I'm about to go to this like immersive museum. I went out, I got food. I'm getting my mind off the charts. And right now it's already 4:30. So my day's already halfway there. You guys got to understand, not doing anything is still doing something. You got to learn to do nothing. After you take a loss, do nothing. After you take a win, do nothing. Because most people don't know how to do that. You would think doing nothing would be easy. No. Most people in this industry have a problem with doing nothing. They have a impulse of doing things, impulse of taking trades, impulse of doing dumb shit, impulse of not following the rules. All of those different things. But at the end of the day, the little tip that I'll give you guys just to keep your mind off the charts, stay busy, have other businesses. I'm not worried if I lose one trade because I have money in other businesses. I make money from other things. I have other things that are going to require my time. After I'm done a trade, my day's not over. I have to worry about making content now. I have to worry about the people that I'm teaching, my students, all these different things that require my time. And I don't have the privilege of just sitting there and being angry, just sitting there and worrying about the trade that lost. No, I have other things that require my time now, and I recommend all of you do that, because full-time trading isn't what it seems. At the end of the day, it's not easy. Doing just trading for a living is boring. I don't want to just trade for a living. I want to trade so that I can get my freedom back to do other things, such as my other businesses, such as record videos like this, such as go to the beach on a Monday, even though it was packed and I couldn't fucking go. I think it was because it was spring break, but it's just, that's what you want to do. That's the life you want to live. You want to have freedom. But the only way you get freedom is by making enough money to buy your time back. And that's why you guys are watching me now, so I can show you guys what it's really like as someone that is going from having a job, I used to work for other people, to working for myself, struggling for myself, building myself, and getting rich by myself. I'm not dependent on nobody. I don't need nobody to make money. I can make money myself based off of my knowledge, based off of my skill sets. And that's what I'm trying to teach you guys. That's all this is. At the end of the day, I want to bring you guys into what it's like to be an entrepreneur, be what it's like on the journey, on the come up. Because I know I'm going to make $1 million. I'm probably going to make $1 million by next year. And I'm going to document the entire thing. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need to do to get in that position. And at the end of the day, handling losses and being able to have that emotional control to be able to succeed, be able to handle diversity, is going to keep you successful at the end of the day. And that's what's going to lead you to this success.
I get them all the good stuff. Like this. Let's go this way. Kind of scary.
Merman.
Set me up for failure.
I didn't. You're supposed to look like you're in a... Yeah, Wonder Woman. No. This one's so cute. It's so strawberry. She'll get over it. This is so cute. Yeah. No.
I see you. Oh yeah. It's yours, man.
Get my phone.